Welcome to the Inquidia Map Analytics demonstration with Pentaho BA Server Enterprise. At Inquidia, we can help you produce mobile-friendly interactive visualizations using your favorite JavaScript libraries, using data served by the Community Data Access Tools, or CDA. This example will use data on funding and performance of school districts in Illinois for 2014, with financials and geodata served by the U.S. Census Bureau and test scores coming from the Illinois State Board of Education. In order to clean and match records from all of these various sources, we created this PDI transformation and saved it into the Home Inquidia folder. We then built a CDA query on top of that PDA transformation and set it up to cache the results of the transformation periodically. The visualization contains two principal components. At left is a table containing school district data. The table is sortable and searchable and has tabs to control which subset of overall data to look at once: revenue, spending, or test scores. At right is a map of Illinois containing all of the school district boundaries contained in the GeoJSON data layers. The layers can be toggled on and off, and since elementary and secondary districts are exclusive, these toggle. If we click on a specific district in the table at the left, it will be highlighted in the map on the right. We can group top selections together using the paperclip icon and clear them again with the trash can icon. For example, let's see where the districts are that have the highest ACT scores. To do this, we can click on the Test Scores tab, sort in descending order by ACT, display the secondary district layers because these are high school tests, and then use the paperclip icon. Most of these districts are upstate, and we can zoom in using one of the preset zoom buttons. And then we can clear this by clicking on the trash can icon. As another example, let's see where the districts are that have the lowest property tax collections. To see this, click on the Revenue tab, sort in ascending order by property tax, look at the elementary districts, because these are going to be elementary districts, and use the paperclip icon. Many of these are downstate, and we can use another preset zoom to zoom in. This doesn't tell the whole story, of course, because enrollment differs across districts. So we have a function button that allows us to toggle between per pupil measures and overall. So if we repeat this for per pupil, we can click on the per pupil button, sort in ascending order by property tax, and group these together again. We can also include custom markers in our data. For this demonstration, we've set up another CDA query that gives us the locations of the top 10 high schools by enrollment. And we've stored those under this flag icon. These are upstate, so let's zoom in upstate. We can custom zoom and pan, of course. And here we have a display showing where are the top 10 high schools by enrollment. Finally, we can display scatter plots of selected measures in the Scatter Plot tab. Clicking on the eye icon hides the map and shows us this nice scatter plot with selectable axes. For example, we can plot Prairie State Achievement, which is a standardized test here in Illinois, versus percent of spending on teacher salaries. We can use the data table to also filter the plot, so that if we wanted to display data only for secondary districts in DuPage County, we can use the paperclip icon and make that selection. And we can clear it again by clicking on the trash can icon. Thank you for watching the Inquidia Map Analytics demonstration with Pentaho BA Server Enterprise. We hope to see you again soon.